so here's my new pet. See? He likes me. He doesn't want to leave. Honey, I got a new pet. Oh. Yeah. So very slippery. I'm wearing water shoes. I'm gonna try to climb up in here. Top to where this place is right there. I want to see what's over there. Alright. So we're here now. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Nice. Well, I'm up here now, and I can see there's some benches and seating right there that you can just chill, you know, and watch, I guess, the ocean towards over there. Oh, there's an island right in the middle. I'll zoom in. Yeah, what is that? Yeah, a little island. Huh. Maybe I should take my boat there next time and just have a cookout there. Awesome. And look what I found, guys. Yeah, what is this? How many weight? 5 ounce. Yep, $2. I found $2. Uh-huh. Awesome. Alright, while exploring, my son found this in one of the cracks in the rocks, and I think this belongs to a lobster buoy or something like that. Whatever it is, I'm taking it home because I don't like to litter. Okay, and also we seen a red thing right there. What is that? I'm gonna zoom in. What is that? A shirt? What is that? Bro, you wanna go check it out? Yeah, let's go. Frankie, I got your free shirt. Let's go. Yep, he caught one right there. Oh, they're catching them right there. 1, 2, they pulled up. Nice. There you go. Uh-huh. They're getting it. They're still there. Middle of July. Yep, the other I guess got one. There you go.
What bird?
There you go. Very nice.
Oh, it's glowing over there. Bunch of island over
there.
there.
Having fun. Right? They're just jigging away. I remember those days. All I had was a rod. And it's hard work, to tell you the truth. To tell you the truth, it's hard work. But they're having fun. They're catching some. And it's all about enjoyment, right? Beautiful today. Alright, so I found another species, Asian crabs. Right here. See? Yeah. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. I'll see you next time for the tog. Alright. It's pretty nice here. Little beach area, right? You know where that is. The pier. Very nice. They have a kayak rental and paddleboard over here if you guys are into that. I don't know how much you charge. I should have asked, right? But yeah, that's fun. You know, it's gonna be that much. Maybe $10, 30 minutes, maybe, probably. I don't know. 20 an hour. I don't know. They have these kayak rentals here. They have I believe that's a 2-seater. 1, 2. They have the paddleboards here too. Pretty cool, you know. I should ask. That's their booth right there. How much it is? I have one already, but I haven't tried that one yet. The paddleboard.
I want to go on it.
Yeah.
Sure,
You want to go on it?
I'll go.
You know how?
No.
All right, you're gonna know how. We're coming up this way. Ugh. I don't remember these gates being here. Oh yeah, well, we have to walk this way. Yep. Yeah. Nice. Yep. I'm gonna check out the pier in a little bit. Wow, they extended it really far. Yeah. I guess this is where they do a live performance band or something. Looks pretty cool. Yep. I'm just gonna cut through the grass. Honey, the car's on your left side over there. You gotta be careful walking under these holes in trees, right? Because this guy right here, he is waiting for you to bomb on you. See that guy? Yep, he's gonna bomb on you if you walk right under him. Caution. All right, well, thanks for coming. Yeah, bye. Bye, kids. We're already here, so we're gonna go try to catch a squid or two. We're gonna try to catch a squid or two, you know? Maybe we do, or maybe we don't. Who knows? Let's see, right? Uh-huh. That beer không? No. Well, yeah. That's where we're going. Through here. New pier. Alright, so we're on the pier, just constructed last year, fall I think. It's further into the ocean, and it looks like they made a T. Last time it was just straight, and that was it. But these guys are all squidding right now. Yeah. Yeah, you know, very nice, see? All these squid people here, you know? Nice. Yeah, so how much you caught today, huh? Oh, wow, half bucket? Yeah, wow. Nice, bro, nice. Yeah, my boy Udon right here. Yeah. Mrs. Dance, but whatever. Yeah, wow. Did good, did good.
I go hot Salem.
I think that if you start on that platform.
Alright, so we're on the way back right now to our vehicle. It was a nice, beautiful day. I didn't get to go swimming, but it's okay. Very nice. They have restrooms here. I didn't know that it is, but I'm gonna use it right now. I'm gonna use the restroom right now. I think so. Okay. So I found the bird that's been pooping on my car. Right there. You see him? Yeah. Seagulls.
Were you scared?
Yep. They've been pooping on my car, and I found you. You can't run from me.
Dad.
Alright, since we're here, let's go. Let's play some.
Light right here. Right here. It's shining from me.
What the fuck is that bright ass light right there?
But I don't close it because that's way too much.
We're here in the arcade room. Let's get it. Let's get it. You can't get that.
4 tokens to play.
I'm gonna win something. I'm gonna win something. Go on, you're losing. You're losing. Go faster. Go faster. You made it to the castle, you got 3 extra balls! See? Stop pressing this one. 3 extra balls! Oh! No, the bridge gotta go down first. Yeah, the bridge gotta go down. Alright, so we're gonna finish off the day with Sunday. What do you got?
Strawberry smoothie.
Strawberry what?
Smoothie.
Strawberry smoothie? Yeah.
What the ID there?
It was really nice. It was really nice. Strawberry. Mine's what, a Sunday, right? Yeah. Enjoy.